Welcome back. We're all mesmerized by the 1% rise in stock indexes. Then what will you speak about? Crude. That's gone, what, 3% higher? Manisha is here to tell us where this important commodity is headed. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Lata. Well, the crude oil prices are trading at around 8 weeks high, which is a 2-month highs. And we've seen strong gains in the last couple of weeks itself. And that is what is keeping the prices at around $84 a barrel on your screens. We have seen strong gains come in on a weekly basis as well, 4.5% on the higher side. And for the month of January until now, for 2024, we are up by nearly 10%. And that's exactly the loss that crude posted for all of 2023. So we've recovered all of that in the first month itself. Well, our markets also are looking at a strong range that seems to be building up right now. So when you look at the month of Jan, if you look at the range, that is 84, of course, is on the higher side. But we started this year at around 78 on the lower side. So $6 of a jump up is what we've already posted in case of crude prices there. The markets are looking at various factors to begin with. It has to do with the Houthi attacks on Red Sea. And this time around, it has been on a fuel tanker from Trafigura. So now we are looking at direct attacks on fuel tankers, and that is adding premium to prices. There are supply concerns coming up now. The second point really is about Russia, where many of the refineries have gone in for maintenance. And this is after drone attacks on various refineries. So they are under repair. So Russian crude also will continue to decline into the international markets. That's weighing on. That's rather supportive of the markets there. And then the street is also dealing with the strong U.S. economic growth numbers. The GDP numbers, remember, were on the positive side. And the China stimulus numbers also continue to support. The U.S. dollar index is slightly on the weaker side. That is supportive. And the money managers have raised their net longs on crude futures and options as well. So everywhere that you see, there are strong fundamentals and there is smart money moving in case of crude. And that is what is keeping the prices at around $84 a barrel. Now, going forward, it is going to be about the OPEC and allies meeting. This is an online meeting. It's on 1st of Feb, where there will be statements from OPEC and allies on future growth and supply as well. So Street will keep an eye on that. Apart from that, it also is going to be about the first FOMC meeting of this year. That is on 30th and 31st of January. So while, of course, a rate cut is not anticipated, but the Street will watch out for guidance, and that will keep the markets choppy. But at this point in time, definitely supportive.
Okay. Well, that's really, good for the oil bulls, but it's not casting any shadows at the moment on Indian equity. So we